This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, February 25th. Stock index futures in the overnight trade were a bit firmer. In fact, the Dow did advance to new record highs. Since then, though, there has been some pressure as traders centering a bit more on the weakness that we are seeing in the bond market and rising yields at the long end of the curve. However, the technical aspects still remain positive, and I would not be surprised to see some recovery later this afternoon in stock index futures. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index under some pressure. This after Fed Chair Powell, in his testimony on Tuesday and Wednesday, offering some dovish comments, so that undermining the dollar. Also, we have the euro currency higher with some better economic news in the form of a business confidence index showing good gains. Also, the industrial commodities tending to support commodity exporting countries' currencies, such as the Australian dollar, the New Zealand dollar, and the Canadian dollar. And I think that is a trend that will probably continue. So the commodity currencies are likely to continue to advance. Interest rate futures markets steady at the front end, lower at the long end of the curve as inflationary risks continue. Also in the precious metals, we have gold and silver lower. The near-term technicals and fundamentals on the gold are a bit on the weak side, but on the longer-term view, the gold still has bullish long-term fundamentals. However, by contrast, the silver has short-term technicals and fundamentals bullish and long-term technicals and fundamentals bullish. So I very much favor the silver over the gold. And in fact, the silver will probably continue to gain substantially on the gold market, and the silver outright should be traded from the long side. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.